What is up, traders? So today I want to do a quick market breakdown on UJ and GC, and let's take a look how the trades on these two pairs went for me this week and for my team as well. So as you can see, we have two clear bullish pennants right here happening, which gave us a huge confirmation to enter this long trade on USD with the a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 6, which was an amazing trade, stop loss of only 100 pips, and the target at 70 pips. So let's take a quick look at the chart. So as you can see, this band was broken and retested on the previous support, which was also a huge zone right here, and the price went up as expected, forming another bullish pattern which was also broken at the previous resistance and retested as a new support for a clear continuation that the trend would move to our take profit right here as it did. So after this trade was perfectly executed and the take profit was hit, I was thinking and another huge candle rejection right here with another huge bearish candle right here. And the price went down as expected, giving me a clear sign of another sell trade. So as you can see, we already entered this sell trade right here. So what we want to do right now is to target this daily key level right here and our stop loss above this level, which is giving us a great risk to reward ratio of 3.5 and an amazing trade. Of course, we have two zones which we have to take care of. So once we break this level right here, I'll make my trade risk free and let it run to this daily key level 104.500. So the next trade, what I want to go over with you is British pound and Canadian dollar. So let's take a quick look at this losing trade, what we had this week. So as you can see, we had an aggressive entry on this one right here, and our stop loss of 30 pips was hit. So let's go over these trades to find out the mistakes so you guys don't do the same mistakes we did on this one. And as you can see, a clear trend line, then a breakout of this trend line right here. As you can see, we had this level, this zone retested quite a few times before going down and to retest this level right here, this huge zone right here, as you can see. And the reason why I entered this trade was because of this candlestick formation right here with a clear bullish hammer happening on this zone right here. But unfortunately, the price didn't respect the zone and went down again to retest the daily key level, which is 1.73500, and retested it perfectly to the pip and then went back up to retest this level of the resistance right here once again, and now is stuck in between these two zones. So now I want to wait for a clear rejection of some of these levels right here to probably enter another trade. So we're gonna put this trade in the past. We had some good learning curves on these ones, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye.